Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of handmade candle crafting. Candles not only add a warm and cozy ambience to your home, but they also make fantastic gifts for any occasion. Let's begin with the basics. The ingredients you'll need are wax, preferably soy or beeswax for its natural benefits, your choice of fragrance or essential oil, wick, and a container. Now, let's get started. 1. Measure the wax. Place a piece of wick at the bottom of your container. This will ensure that the wick is centered when you start pouring the wax. 2. Melt your wax in a double boiler or a glass container within a pot of water. Melt the wax over low heat until it becomes completely liquid. To this, add your fragrance or essential oil according to the recipe you're following. Always remember to use safe and non-toxic ingredients for your candles. 3. Pouring and cooling. When your wax is ready, carefully pour it into your container. At a slightly slower pace than if you were filling it quickly. This will help avoid any air bubbles in your final product. Let it cool for a few hours to allow the wax to set completely. 4. Trimming the wick. After cooling down, trim off any excess wick from around the top of your candle using scissors before lighting it up for the first time. With these simple steps, you can now create beautiful handmade candles in various shapes and sizes. Don't forget to share photos of your creations with us in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today, folks! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting!